Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your Argon Audio Quiet Storm so quiet? So firstly, maybe you need to clean the grill. So remove your ear cups and clean the grill. Now, maybe the problem is because your headphones just too old and maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem with only one ear cup, I have solution for it. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. Is to change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Enter into Accessibility, then scroll down, and in the Hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the left ear cup, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance. We just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right ear cup. If you have the problem with the right ear cup, just move this dot to the right, but again, you need to find a good balance, so you need to test it. We just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility. Now I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom in the settings, so we need to scroll down and enter to Accessibility. Now scroll down again, and at the bottom we will find Audio Adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the right ear cup, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to test it. You just increase the volume for the right ear cup, but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on your right ear cup, you will totally mute sound on your left ear cup. If you have this problem with the left ear cup, just move this dot to the left. But again, you need to find a good balance, and we just increase it for the left ear cup, but lower it for the right. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!